He doesn't know that. Yeah. G'day. Get out of the vehicle. No worries. You know how fast you were going? Faster than I was supposed to if you blokes pulled me up.
You should pigs for a living.
Bet your life.
Can you read?
Get a bit stuck on the big words every now and then, but, you know. Yeah, I can read pretty good.
Oh, and you'd be able to read the sign back there with the big 100 on it, wouldn't you?
You know, I could have sworn I was, you know, sitting under 100 there, you know.
You think I'm talking shit?
Oh, Struth, no. No, sorry, mate. No. No, okay, it won't happen again, all right?
Where the fuck you think you're going?
You bastards. You put me on, aren't you? You're not really going to book me, are you?
Can I see your license, please? You're a long way from home, aren't you?
Oh, yeah, look, I always travel up north when I'm doing a bit of hunting, you know. Get away from it all. Not a lot of pigs down south.
This plus a speeding ticket. It's in order to take this car off the road. For good. Tyres are as bald as a baby's ass. I'm amazed it's even running. Body looks like you've thrown off a fucking cliff.
Come on.
Now you take this piece of shit back to town, and then you get the fuck back where you came from. I don't want to see your ugly mug around here ever again. You understand? Or is that too many big words for you?
Mate, you sure you want to give me this? Bet your life.
You have a nice day.
Ta. You fucking asshole. Oh, man. That's how we get that quotas up out here, son.
Oh, man, you sure you want to give me this? Yeah, pretty sure you just got that bastard piece of shit taken off the road to you. Fucking dickhead. Oh, man, you see the look on his face. What a redneck moron.
where the bloody hell do you think you're going?
You're crazy, are you? I mean, leg, I think it's broken.
Shut up, you big crybaby. That'll do, pig.
What do you think you're fucking doing?
No, your little mate's right. I am a pig shooter. You know what I do to pigs that won't stop squealing? I make them stop. Fuck me. You stupid pair of bastards. Look at a fucking mess you made, huh? Now I've got to clean it up.
They'll fucking find us. They'll find the fucking car, and then they'll... I want to see my kids. What? Mate, I can make the ticket go away, mate.
Or I can make you go away.
Ah!